Riding a motorcycle year-round is thrilling, but it demands gear that can handle all seasons, whether it's the sweltering heat of summer, the chill of winter, or unpredictable rain showers. All-season motorcycle gear is designed to keep you comfortable, safe, and ready for any weather. Today, we're reviewing 7 of the best all-season motorcycle gear options that will take your rides to the next level. Let's dive into the details. Number 1. Milwaukee Leather MPM 1792 CE Armored Textile Motorcycle Jacket. The Milwaukee Leather MPM 1792 is a versatile jacket designed to meet the needs of year-round riders. Made from durable textile material, this jacket is lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle various weather conditions. The CE-approved armor at the shoulders, elbows, and back ensures optimal protection, making it a great option for safety-conscious riders. What sets this jacket apart is its attention to climate adaptability. The built-in waterproof liner keeps you dry during unexpected rain, while the multiple air vents provide excellent ventilation on hot summer days. For colder months, the jacket includes a removable thermal liner that traps heat efficiently, allowing you to stay warm without adding bulk. The jacket's sleek design doesn't just focus on practicality, but also style. The reflective piping enhances visibility, a critical feature for nighttime or low-light rides. Adjustable straps at the waist and arms offer a customizable fit, ensuring comfort no matter your body type. The Milwaukee Leather MPM 1792 balances protection, comfort, and durability, making it a solid choice for all-season riders.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Motorcycle Jacket Men's CE Armored Waterproof All Season Black XL. This all-season motorcycle jacket stands out for its simplicity and reliability. Crafted with a heavy-duty textile exterior, it's designed to withstand the rigors of everyday riding while keeping you comfortable across different seasons. The CE-certified armor provides robust protection for the shoulders, elbows, and spine, ensuring peace of mind during every ride. The waterproof membrane is a game-changer for riders who frequently face unpredictable weather. Rain is no longer a worry, as this jacket keeps you dry without compromising breathability. Ventilation zippers strategically placed across the jacket ensure consistent airflow during warmer rides, preventing discomfort caused by sweat buildup. Its thermal liner is both detachable and efficient, making it an excellent companion for winter rides. The jacket also features reflective detailing to improve visibility in low-light conditions, enhancing rider safety. The adjustable fit system at the cuffs and waist allows for maximum comfort and adaptability, accommodating layers during colder months or a snug fit in summer. Overall, this jacket is a practical, no-nonsense option for riders seeking reliable all-weather protection and comfort without breaking the bank. Number 3. ILM Jam 1 Motorcycle Jacket Mesh CE Armor Detachable Thermal Liner. The ILM Jam 1 motorcycle jacket is a fantastic choice for riders who want a high-performance jacket that transitions seamlessly between seasons. Its mesh construction is particularly appealing for summer riders, allowing optimal airflow to keep you cool and comfortable on the hottest days. CE-certified armor at the shoulders, elbows, and back ensures that safety isn't compromised, even with its lightweight design. The addition of a detachable thermal liner makes it versatile for colder seasons, trapping warmth when needed. This feature is perfect for riders who want a single jacket to cover both summer and winter needs. The jacket also features waterproof zippers and a durable exterior that resists wear and tear, making it a long-lasting investment. Adjustable Velcro straps at the wrists and waist offer a tailored fit, ensuring that the jacket feels secure and comfortable regardless of your layering choices. Its high visibility accents make it ideal for low-light riding, enhancing safety while on the road. The ILM Jam 1 strikes a perfect balance between ventilation protection and seasonal adaptability, making it a go-to for riders seeking efficiency and comfort. Number 4. XXXX-Large Motorcycle Jacket CE Armor Waterproof All Season Black/Evis Green 2XL. The XXXX-Large motorcycle jacket is built for riders who demand both functionality and style. Its high-visibility green accents not only add flair but also significantly improve rider safety, especially in foggy or nighttime conditions. The exterior is constructed from premium, abrasion-resistant material, ensuring durability and protection. CE-certified armor provides reliable protection at critical impact points, including the shoulders, elbows, and back. This makes it a dependable choice for adventure riders who frequently tackle challenging terrains. The jacket's waterproof membrane ensures you stay dry during unexpected downpours. Additionally, the ventilation system with adjustable zippers keeps the air circulating during hot weather, preventing overheating. For winter rides, the removable thermal liner provides excellent insulation, allowing you to ride comfortably in colder temperatures. Number 5. Alpha Cycle Gear Women's Motorcycle Jacket. Waterproof with CE armor, black/pink, large. The Alpha Cycle Gear Women's Motorcycle Jacket combines feminine style with robust performance, making it an excellent choice for year-round riders. The black and pink design is both stylish and functional, with reflective strips enhancing visibility for added safety. The jacket's outer shell is made from high-quality textile material that is waterproof and windproof, ensuring protection against unpredictable weather conditions. CE-certified armor is strategically placed on the shoulders, elbows, and back, providing maximum safety without sacrificing mobility. For warm weather riding, the jacket features adjustable ventilation zippers that promote airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable. When temperatures drop, the removable thermal liner provides superior insulation, making it a versatile option for all seasons. Designed with women in mind, this jacket includes adjustable straps for a customizable fit that flatters and supports various body shapes. Number 6. Enduro Dualsport Motorcycle Jacket, CE Armor, High Visibility, Green, XXXX-Large. The Enduro Dualsport Motorcycle Jacket is tailored for adventure and off-road riders who demand superior visibility and protection. The bright green exterior ensures you remain noticeable on the road, making it a standout choice for safety-conscious riders. Constructed from tough abrasion-resistant fabric, this jacket is built to withstand challenging conditions. The CE-certified armor at the shoulders, elbows, and back provides reliable protection, ensuring you're covered in case of impact. Its waterproof membrane keeps you dry during unexpected rain showers, while the breathable material ensures comfort in various weather conditions. The jacket also includes a removable thermal liner for colder days, making it an all-season favorite. Adjustable straps and zippers allow for a customized fit, accommodating different layers for varying temperatures. Multiple pockets provide ample storage for essentials, adding practicality to its robust design. The Enduro Dualsport Motorcycle Jacket is perfect for riders who value visibility, comfort, and durability, making it an excellent companion for long journeys and adventurous rides. Number 7. Favoto Motorcycle Cover All-Season Universal Outdoor Protection. While not a wearable piece, the Favoto motorcycle cover is an essential addition to any rider's gear collection. This universal all-season cover provides year-round protection for your motorcycle, ensuring it stays in top condition regardless of the weather. The cover is made from durable, waterproof material that shields your bike from rain, snow, and UV rays. Its robust construction also protects against dust, dirt, and minor impacts, making it ideal for both outdoor and garage storage. The breathable fabric prevents condensation buildup, reducing the risk of rust and mold. Elasticized hems and adjustable straps keep the cover securely in place, even in windy conditions. The universal fit accommodates most motorcycles, making it a versatile choice for riders with multiple bikes. Additionally, the reflective strips on the cover enhance visibility, adding an extra layer of safety when parked at night. The Favoto motorcycle cover is a practical, all-weather solution that ensures your bike remains protected, extending its lifespan and maintaining its aesthetic appeal. All-season motorcycle gear is more than just a convenience. It's a necessity for any rider who wants to enjoy the open road year-round. From protective jackets to essential bike covers, these 7 options offer the perfect combination of safety, comfort, and durability. Invest in the right gear today and ride confidently in any weather. Safe travels,